everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com, and welcome to another MASC Minutes. So if you're on our website looking for safety razors, you might be looking at the Merkur 23. We've had the 23C, which is the chrome version, for many years, and we just got in the black PVD coated version, which I wanted to show you because it's pretty nifty. So if you're looking for a sort of more modern take on the more classic 23C, then definitely check this one out. They're both stainless steel. This one has just got a black PVD coating. So I'm just going to quickly show you how this one works. So this is a three-piece razor, as is the black one. So just the whole head unscrews like this. Top two pieces come off like that, and then you would just pop the blade in there, slide it on, and then screw it back in. This is a really good starter razor if you've never used a safety razor. It's got a nice light feel to it, pretty long handle, so it feels sort of comfortable and familiar if you're used to using a cartridge razor. It is a closed comb, so it doesn't have any teeth on it there, and it's a fixed setting or a fixed blade, so you can't adjust the closest of the shape of this one. There are some that are adjustable, but this one is just one setting, which is totally fine for most people. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's made in Germany. I consider Merkur to be one of the best, if not the best, brands for safety razors out there. We have a few other ones on the website. So if you are in the market for a new one, check them out, shopmasc.com. And of course, they are available in our store in Vancouver as well. Thanks for listening.